I always tell people, if you are going into ready to wear business, don't just wake up, open shop and start sampling just anything you feel like you want to sample, because those are the kind of people that will complain at last. Look around you. That place you want to open a shop, look around you. What are the kind of people? Who are the kind of people there? Those are the kind of people that you will make sure you satisfy. If people living around you are mostly of official workers, bankers, and all that, this kind of skirt might not rain for them. But if there's children, mostly young girls, streetwears, you live in a place like Abara area, Festac area, where you have more of young girls, you see this skirt that is outdated. That is what is raining now. Somebody will ask me who is going to buy this one. That is the reason for this video. In this video, I'll be showing you current trending skirts that are raining now, and I will quickly show you how to cut it. I just want it to be an all-in-one video because I actually do not have time to start making videos on them one. But if you follow what I'm going to say now, you are going to make your own. Now, thank you for all those that have been patient with this platform, and thank you for being here, because a lot of people have said, oh, I don't understand what she's doing, and they will just walk away without waiting to understand. Let's go right into this tutorial. Trending skirts that are in the ready to wear business industry in Nigeria today. Look at these skirts. Look at this skirt. This is not a pencil skirt. It's a long straight skirt, but at the waist is gathered. Go to bale material. We have plenty laces there. All these Aba lace. That's what they used to make it. And somebody will tell me that Aba lace used to tear. Aba lace gets grade. There are some that will never tear. So let your own have gathers. Excuse me. Now this one is cut straight but a little bit flayed out at the hem area. These are skirt patterns that are raining now. People are using it to cash out. In fact, I even saw it in a boutique I went to in Festac. When I walked in and I asked them how much the outfit with the jacket was, I was told 60,000. So when I'm going to be, I think I should attach a video of my current job. I'm making a t-shirt for a particular company. When people tell you that there's no market for business, I beg, all these clothes where we they wear, who they make up? That's the question you will ask yourself. And let me give you an intel. People don't really import again. I've always been saying this because of the rate of dollar. People are looking inwards. All these machines are now in Nigeria. If you know your machine cannot give you a neat finishing, please take it to people that will make it. I will always tell you people. Look at this skirt. This is a two-in-one skirt. It has a sunray part and it has a plain part. This fabric, I did a tutorial for how you can make your own sunray fabric. Please, if you are going to be using this sunray for ready to wear, don't make it yourself. Don't make it yourself. There are people that own the machines for making it. Take it to them, let them make it. Take it. There's nothing special in this skirt you are seeing. Take it to the people that make sunray fabrics. Let them use this same crepe that you are using. This is called the Italian crepe. Let them use this particular crepe that you are seeing to use it and make that sunray fabric for you. So one part of your skirt is going to be sunray, while the other one is going to be plain. Now, there's something I want to talk about. Please don't just place your fabric on the table and cut out whatever you feel you want to cut out. Always use pattern. Manipulate pattern to make whatever you want to make. Manipulate pattern to make whatever you want to make. Somebody might want to make a 180-degree skirt. You just place your fabric on the table and just stretch out your hands. Please do not do that. There is a shape you are going to get from slashing a straight skirt and spreading it out. And there is another shape you are going to get that you just put your hands straight and you cut whatever you want to cut. Please learn to work with patterns. It will do you good. It will do you good. Work with patterns and pay attention to details. Now, this is a pencil skirt, but attached behind is flame. Now, let me tell you one secret to this. When cutting your pencil skirt, cut it straight. cut both this back straight, attach this flare on top of the skirt. What will make you to go and say you are cutting out to attach that flare, that place, the front of that skirt is going to lose balance, and you were wondering why your own is different. Let that back have a structure. Let that back have a structure. This is another pencil skirt for official wears. Somebody will just say, oh, this is just a straight pencil skirt with just one thing that they with just one thing that they cut and put in front. My sister, that was not how it was done. Work with pattern. You don't just cut anything and attach in front of your skirt. That is what a lot of us are doing. Sorry, I had to drink water. That is what a lot of us are doing, that is making our design not come out how it was supposed to come out. And when you're making yours, please make sure that you are using the particular fabric for that style. I have always told you there's non-stretchy crepe and there's a stretchy crepe. Please, in ready to wear business, do not use non-stretchy crepe. That is one secret. Use stretchy crepe at all times. Now, for this particular style you are seeing here, let me give you an expo. Somebody will just tell me, oh, then cut the other one to be straight, then they can't just attach this thing. No. It is this same skirt pattern measurement that they used to cut out that one you are seeing in front. And they laid it with stay. That is why it's able to stand like this. And at that point where, at the waistline where the other one bent, folded down, it was slightly attached so that your own can stay attached. If you go and make your own, if you don't attach it, stitch it to the main fabric, it will just fall anyhow. That is that for this one. Now let's talk about this one. Somebody will still tell me, oh, the front na straight cutting. Well, you can cut it straight cutting and allow it to drop at the two sides. But if you ask me, you see that it came as a flare from one side and it just dropped on the other side. Please cut yours as a slight flare. It will do you a lot of good. Cut it as a slight flare. Do not forget, lay stay inside it so that yours will stand. Lay flare stay inside it. Then even if you don't want to stay inside it, turn it. Do I see people just cut anything and put it on top of it, and they will just weave the mouth. Do not weave the mouth of this particular style. Pay serious attention to details, and where you find it difficult to cut, send me a picture of it. If I cannot make a tutorial for you immediately, I will use word of mouth to explain to you. Now, this is a ready to wear nightwear. My sister, what is stopping you from making this? I saw this particular nightwear on the island when I went to buy something. Someone came out of Poan for road. Someone came out with it and brought over 200 pieces of this in different colors. Na bale material be this. You cannot use up to 1 year to make this, but I know how much she was selling it. Even if na 500 naira she made, it is something. I'm talking to you that is struggling to get a customer base. I'm not talking to the people that have already made it. I am talking to you that is sitting, still sewing from inside your house. What is discouraging you? Except you just want to go. But if you don't want to quit, there is business.